Knox County Board of Health holds a special called meeting to address the worsening COVID-19 situation in the community. WATE 6 on Your Side reporter Jordan Brown joins us now with a breakdown of what was said and what actions could be coming. Jordan.
Well, as we report every day, the numbers are going up, and now members on the Board of Health think action needs to be taken before Thanksgiving. And Bo, the big question here is, will there be more regulations? Well, it's looking very likely at this point.
To do nothing, I think we know would be pretty damaging.
Friday's special Board of Health meeting was in response to a growing number of COVID-19 cases in the community and record hospitalizations.
We've gotten overwhelming feedback from the community that they want stricter regulations and they want enforcement.
So the Board of Health is listening and they want to take action. This meeting was mostly discussion, figuring out what to do and what regulations to put in place. But they had to start by looking at the possible source of the uptick.
Where people move in and out of the most, being honest, are restaurants. And that's one of the biggest areas. And then fitness facilities are very high on that list also for us here and nationwide. So if we have to talk about additional mitigation efforts, this may help guide us.
Ideas tossed around tonight by health leaders include making changes to the current alcohol curfew, limiting social gathering sizes, and reducing restaurant capacity.
Restricting maximum occupancy at each of these places is more effective than uniformly reducing mobility.
And health board members are urging that these rules, whatever they end up being, are followed by the community and enforced by local leaders.
I'm challenging the county, and the county needs to help us on this. Let's just be honest. We need codes enforcement. We need the sheriff's office. We need others to help us.
The Knox County Board of Health still wants to take action ahead of Thanksgiving. That's why they've set another special meeting called for Monday at 5. Bo?
All right, Jordan, thank you. We'll, of course, be monitoring that meeting for you, and we will tell you of any new regulations that get passed Monday night right here at 11 o'clock.